All right, let's have a talk. You've worked hard your entire life. You have raised families, you have built careers, you have paid your dues, and then some. Now you are over 50, 60, or even 70. And you might be thinking, what's next for me? Society might try to tell you it's time to slow down, to step aside. I am here to tell you that is nonsense. Absolute nonsense. This is not an ending. This is a powerful new beginning. This is your time to learn, to grow, and to secure your financial future in ways you never thought possible. You have wisdom. You have experience. Now, it is time to add a new skill to your incredible life resume. I want you to listen to me closely. The world is changing faster than ever before. Technology, artificial intelligence, AI, is leading that charge. It is a bridge. You are absolutely 100% capable of crossing it. The truth is, your age is your greatest asset. Let's make it simple. So, what is this artificial intelligence we keep hearing about? Let's strip away all the complicated jargon. Let's make it simple because it is. Think of AI as a very smart assistant. Person asks computer, computer produces text, images, ideas. It's like having a helper on your computer or phone that can understand what you ask. It can read. It can write. It can create things for you. It has learned from reading almost the entire internet. It knows about baking a perfect apple pie. It knows about the history of the world. It's not a physical robot walking around your house. It is a smart program, a tool you can learn to use. Now, you might be thinking, is this new? Is this safe? The truth is, you are already using AI every single day. You probably don't even realize it. Recommendations for movies on Netflix, phone maps showing the fastest route and avoiding traffic, email sorting junk from important messages. So, you see, you have already been introduced. You are already comfortable with it. We are going to learn how to take control and use it intentionally, because this smart assistant can do so much more than recommend movies. Okay, so where do you find these smart assistants? You don't need to be a computer programmer. You do not need to buy expensive software. Many of these tools are designed to be incredibly simple and user-friendly. They look and feel like a simple chat window, just like texting your kids or grandkids. One of the most popular and easy-to-use tools is called ChatGPT. Think of it as your go-to expert for almost anything. You can ask it questions. Ask it to write something for you. Ask it to brainstorm ideas. It is designed for conversation, making it perfect for anyone who is new to this. ChatGPT on the left, Canva templates on the right. Another fantastic tool is called Canva. Canva has been around for a while. It has recently added amazing AI features. That makes creating beautiful designs as easy as pie. Have you ever wanted to create a beautiful birthday card, a flyer for a club meeting, or even a simple social media post? Canva's AI can help you design it in seconds. You just type what you want, like a birthday invitation with blue flowers and elegant writing. It will create several options for you instantly. It takes away technical frustration and leaves you with the fun, creative part. This is a game changer. For those more adventurous, there are AI image generators like Mid-Journey. It sounds technical, but it's the same simple idea. You describe an image and the AI creates it from scratch. Let's get practical. How can you use these tools in your life starting today? Let's take ChatGPT. Imagine you want to learn more about a hobby, like gardening in a small space. Ask ChatGPT, can you give me a simple step-by-step guide for starting a container garden on my balcony? I live in a sunny climate. In seconds, you will get a clear, organized plan. It will tell you what pots to buy. It will tell you what soil to use. It will tell you which plants will thrive. It's like having a master gardener on call, ready to answer your specific questions. Sometimes it's hard to find the right words for an important email or a heartfelt card. You can ask your AI assistant for help. Help me write a warm and loving birthday message for my grandson who is turning 16. Mention how proud I am of his hard work in school. Mention his kindness to others. The AI will draft a beautiful message that you can then edit and make your own. It's not about being fake. It's about getting past the writer's block to express the love that is already in your heart. It saves you time and stress. Your AI can be an incredible planning assistant. Create a healthy meal plan for one person for the next 7 days, with simple recipes that don't require a lot of ingredients. Also, create a shopping list based on that meal plan. All right, this is the part you have been waiting for. So how do we turn these fun new skills into cold, hard cash? Specifically, passive income. That's money that works for you, not the other way around. Let's start with something creative and simple: creating and selling digital art. Using tools like Canva or Midjourney, you can whip up beautiful designs. Printable greeting cards for every occasion. Beautiful wall art with inspiring quotes. Custom planners and journals. People love unique, heartfelt designs. Don't make cookie-cutter art. Where do you sell them? Websites like Etsy. Open a small digital shop. Create once. One time. Sell the same digital file over and over and over. A customer buys, downloads instantly, you get paid. No shipping, no inventory. You make money from something you created weeks, months, or years ago. That is passive income. Another powerful avenue: writing. You have a lifetime of wisdom and stories. With ChatGPT, you can finally write that book. A children's book. A collection of family recipes, a memoir, a how-to guide. AI helps organize, draft, and check grammar. Self-publish as an ebook on Kindle Direct Publishing. Earn royalties every time someone buys. I don't want you to think this is just a theory. These are real people, just like you, who have changed their lives. Barry and Eleanor. Let me tell you about Barry, 68-year-old retired carpenter from Ohio. He had a passion for woodworking, but found the physical labor too demanding. He was feeling a bit lost. He started experimenting with an AI image generator, creating fantastical images of wooden sculptures and furniture. His daughter helped him upload those images to a print-on-demand art site. Today, Barry runs a thriving online store, making thousands of dollars a month selling AI-generated digital woodwork. He did not touch a single piece of wood. Then there is Eleanor, 72, a former teacher from Florida. She loved telling stories to her grandchildren and decided she wanted to write children's books. She felt her writing skills were a little rusty, and she certainly didn't know how to illustrate. She used ChatGPT to brainstorm story ideas and refine her rhymes. Then she used Midjourney to create whimsical, colorful illustrations. She has now self-published 3 ebooks on Amazon. The income is wonderful. But the real joy comes from parents' reviews saying how much their children love Grandma Eleanor's stories. These are not tech geniuses, and paired it with these new, simple AI tools, it can be your reality. So, are you feeling inspired? Are you ready to take action? Good. Because talking about it is one thing, but doing it is what matters. Let's break down your very first steps. I don't want you to feel overwhelmed. We are going to take this one small, simple step at a time. The goal for today is not to make money. The goal for today is simply to get started, to dip your toe in the water. Your first action item is this. Open your computer, go to Google, and type ChatGPT. Click on the link from the company called OpenAI. It will take you to a page where you can sign up for a free account. Do it. Your second step is just as simple. Once you have created your free account, you will see a simple box where you can type. I want you to ask it 3 questions. That's it. 3. First, ask it something fun. Tell me a funny short story about a penguin who wants to fly. Second, ask it something useful for your life. What are 3 simple exercises I can do at home to improve my balance? Third, ask it something about a topic you are curious about. Explain what a solar eclipse is in very simple terms. The point of this exercise is just to see how it works, to feel the power of it. Tomorrow, not today, I want you to do the same thing with Canva. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Fear. It is a powerful emotion. You might be feeling it right now. The fear of the unknown, the fear of technology, the fear of failing or looking foolish, the fear that you are too old for all of this. I want you to look that fear in the eye and tell it, denied. That fear is not your friend. It is a cage that keeps you from the life you deserve. You have faced far greater fears in your life. You have navigated challenges. You have overcome obstacles. You raised a family in a world full of uncertainties. This is just learning a new skill. Think about the first time you drove a car. Were you scared? Of course you were. It was a powerful, complicated machine, hands, feet, eyes. But you did it. You took lessons. You practiced in an empty parking lot, you started slow. And now you probably drive without even thinking about it. Learning to use AI is the same thing. It seems intimidating from the outside. Get in the driver's seat and start slow. You will realize that you are in complete control. You are the boss. We have come a long way in this talk. We have demystified AI. We have looked at simple tools. We have laid out a clear path to generating passive income. We have seen that real people, people with lives and experiences just like yours, are already doing this. They are not special. They are not geniuses. They simply said yes to a new opportunity. They chose curiosity over comfort. They chose empowerment over fear. Now the choice is yours. Will you stay on the sidelines, or will you get in the game? Envision the future you want, not worried about an unexpected bill, extra income to travel, to spoil your grandchildren, to donate to causes you care about, or simply peace of mind. That future is not a distant dream. It's the result of actions you take today. The small step of signing up for a free account. The small step of asking a question. These are the seeds you plant today that grow into a tree of financial freedom. You have the power to create that future. Don't let anyone, especially yourself, tell you your best days are behind you. That is the biggest lie. Your wisdom, your resilience, and your life experience make you uniquely qualified. Your time is now. Get to it.